there's a stone, almost 400 million years in the making, quarried in the Highlands of Scotland. An indigenous stone that as early as 1793 was exported to the four corners of the globe. Today, it helps meet ever-changing environmental demands and graces many iconic public realm projects in London, Edinburgh, New York and beyond. Indeed, early settlers to the New World revealed the streets of Boston were not paved with gold, but with a material infinitely more practical and equally as pleasing on the eye: Caithness Flagstone. Today, the last active quarries in the Spittal area are the home of Scotland's largest producer of Caithness stone. Operating from its 3 extraction and processing sites, A and D Sutherland's natural stone reserves are set to last for centuries to come. Since the 1950s, the company's experienced workforce has combined time-honoured skills with modern processing equipment to produce high-quality indigenous paving and building materials in bespoke sizes and colours. Formed millions of years ago under Loch Orcady, Spittal's central location in the Loch Basin ensures the natural stone bed lies almost completely level. This low gradient means less structural fracturing and much larger slab sizes. Quarrying begins on the stone bed by the lifting team, who extract one of the primary block layers. The quarrymen wash and mark the bed to eliminate fissures and fractures in the primary block, the first in a series of quality control checks. These chalk lines are then used as guides for the floor saw. The saw operator cuts the beds vertically down to a naturally occurring horizontal seam. The block is then split from its bed, removed and placed into safe storage. The primary blocks are then split down into individual stone layers, a process that has remained unchanged for over 200 years. Each layer's depth is predetermined by nature, and a unique feature of this remarkable stone is the uniformity at which it splits, resulting in individual slabs of consistent thickness. The technique of splitting or boarding is still carried out by hammer and bolster. The splitter creates a horizontal seam by striking the bolster and forming the horizontal split line, known locally as chasing the crack. His knowledge in reading the rock and his ability to split the stone without damaging the material is key to the finished appearance. Hand-splitting the stone guarantees a fine textured surface with ideal slip resistance and a natural beauty. While tradition remains at the heart of splitting, technology is at the forefront of the high-output production line. Primary sawing is carried out on a multi-head flow line. Laser-guided saws with diamond-tipped blades ensure precision cut widths before passing through the sorting table, where the material is washed and checked. The stone is then mechanically funneled down to the 2 crosscut saws to be cut to its final length. Then, following a final quality control check, the stone is cleaned, palletised and wrapped in an environmentally responsible way, ready for transportation to its final destination. Our ethical principles and robust environmental policy means that once quarried, we reinstate the land to its former natural glory. Our production capacity of 90,000 square metres per year means we can supply the largest, most demanding of projects with minimal lead times. Petrographically described as a Devonian-era sandstone, Caithness stone offers a striking visual appeal with decades of durability. Its excellent technical properties make it ideal for both high-trafficked and pedestrian applications. What's more, its high flexural strength also provides an option for thinner, more cost-effective paving and sets. Importantly, there's no such thing as a stock product. Everything is custom cut, allowing specifiers the complete freedom of design. Bespoke sizes combined with customised colours means that it's equally at home on classic or contemporary style paving schemes, as well as construction projects. Experts in natural stone materials, BBS have partnered with A D Sutherland to bring one of the most sustainable sources of indigenous natural stone, with guaranteed longevity, to the forefront of the UK marketplace. Caithness Flagstone, a natural stone from the Highlands of Scotland.